April 18, and the scripture for today is from Nehemiah chapter 1 verse 4. When I heard these things, I sat down and wept. For some days I mourned and fasted and prayed before the God of heaven. Maligayang araw sa ating lahat. Ako si Aaron Jalang Lambangat, ang aking daily devotion para sa araw ito. At yung tatalakayin natin paksa ay tungkol sa bakit ka dapat mag-fasting regularly. At ano ang fasting? Fasting is not just skipping meals, no? It's choosing to feast on God. Instead, yung sinasabi dito na imbis na kumakain ka, pinipili mong mag-spend ng time kasama yung Panginoon. It's a spiritual discipline where we deny ourselves physical satisfaction so we can heighten our spiritual sensitivity. So, biblically, fasting is linked with moments of desperation, direction, and deep devotion. It's a way of saying, Lord, I need you more than anything. In fasting, we humble ourselves before God, tuning out the noise so we can hear His voice more clearly. At i-elaborate ko yan sa mga teachings. Na una, fasting is a normal Christian discipline. Kailangan natin tignan na yung fasting is a normal Christian discipline in the sense na siguro nakikita natin sa panahon ngayon na medyo weird. Pati ako, sa sarili ko na. Sa totoo lang medyo nakita ko sa fasting is weird. For me, and since this is my devotion, this is a deep learning na nakakuha ko kay Pastor Roslo Ocampo, na fasting is normal back then. Part of daily life din talaga yan. No? Kung it's a devotion talaga. Na kung pinapakita mo talaga dito na it's desperation need, definite need for God. No? And fasting is spending a lot of time with God. Kumbaga, instead of eating, hindi laging dito kasi yung eating lang eh. Na yung nangyari ngayon is basically 1 hour di ka kakain or 50 minutes di ka kakain kasi yun usually time na kumakain ka. Or a certain time from 1 to 3. Ngunit, yung nangyayari kasi noon is that may nangyayaring preparation before eating. No, it's not as easy as nowadays na fast food. Na sabihin natin, kailangan mo pa i-hunt yung isda, kailangan mo pang i-prepare yung food. So, depende sa type of food na yun. Minsan may curing process. Depende sa proseso na yun. Tumatagal ng isang araw. At imbes na ginagawa mo yun, you're spending that time to focus on God. And why are you spending that time to focus on God? Kasi fasting is aligning your heart with God. Hindi lang po yung pag-align ng puso natin, pati yung thoughts natin will become more, kaya sinabi ng ibig sabihin nito, more sensitive. No? More sensitive to the sound, yung tinig ng Diyos. Mas nakikinig tayo sa tinig ng Diyos dahil natutune out yung physical needs natin. No? The starvation of the physical will create spiritual discipline. No? Depriving yourself of physical or satisfaction, yung pagkain, yung need na kumain, yung pangangailangan na kumain. Imbis na yun ang inuuna mo ang Panginoon. Fasting is aligning your heart with God. At sa ganun, sa naririnig natin na tinig, mas napapalapit tayo. Mas naririnig natin ang Panginoon. At definitely, nakikita natin na mas maayos yung landas dahil to tune out yung noise. So yun lamang. Salamat sa pakikinig at mabuhay.